Hi, welcome to Aportio. Let's dive into how Aportio's AI-based email management solution Inbox Agent can solve complex multi-party relationships between trading partners. The problem? Logistics organizations struggle to manage transactions with multiple suppliers. They end up relying on manual processes, copying, pasting, and a lot of human intervention. This opens up a huge risk for errors, delays, and of course, cost inefficiencies. Existing email management or parsing solutions are inadequate, as they often result in unmatched or mismatched order updates. This is a big problem when there are more than two parties involved in a transaction, like a buyer, a seller, and a shipping agent, which is very often the case. Currently, solving this issue often requires costly integrations that often aren't feasible, either technically or commercially. Let's talk about a typical use case. Suppliers receive orders from customers. Fulfilling those orders requires multiple actions, not just from within the organization, but from external partners too. Here's the goal: to have a system that automatically triggers and tracks actions between these parties. The key is making sure that customers have visibility into every interaction and change that happens along the way. To do this, there are a few requirements. First, we need to be able to share information simply and consistently between all the parties involved. But here's the kicker. Each party will have its own system, so the solution can't depend on any one specific order management system. While this example is focused on IT tickets, the potential goes well beyond that to any procurement and supply chain problem where there are two or more parties trying to match transaction identifiers. The idea is to make the system frictionless, meaning it can easily sync transactions between different systems without needing complex integrations. Importantly, the configuration needs to be simple enough that it's something an administrative person can handle, not something that needs to go through the technical team. Ultimately, what we are aiming for is to give customers full visibility over their transactions while letting the system owner customize the rules so customers only see what they should be seeing. Now, how does this work? The solution uses email as the primary delivery method. Automatic updates generated by systems involved in the transaction are controlled by configurable rules. These rules are easy to maintain and allow you to manage who receives the information and in what format. And since the solution is system independent, it can handle any changes in the supply chain without disrupting the process. Let's look at a simple example with a company called Cosmo ordering laptops from their supplier Mercura, who uses Skyfleet to deliver to their customers. Cosmo creates an order in their purchase order system, which creates a unique order ID. Call that order A11. They send order A11 by email to Mercura's orders mailbox, where it is picked up by Inbox Agent. And Inbox Agent extracts relevant information and categorizes it using AI. Inbox Agent then sends an email to Mercura or logs a case in Mercura's order system, creating Mercura's order number, say B22. Mercura sends an acknowledgement to Cosmo via Inbox Agent, which attaches both reference A11 and reference B22 in the email. Mercura also sends shipping instructions to the freight company Skyfleet, quoting order B22. Skyfleet logs the email from Mercura in their system, creating their order ID, say C33. Skyfleet sends emails to Mercura with updates on order C33 via Inbox Agent, which matches C33 to Mercura's order B22. Mercura then provides a status update via Inbox Agent to Cosmo, which attaches Cosmo's order number A11 to the email, so Cosmo can also update their system easily or automatically. Now, all of this is done through a simple user interface that allows you to easily manage relationships between customers and suppliers. It also identifies patterns in incoming documents, whether from new suppliers or new customers during the onboarding process. You can quickly create rules for specific customers or third parties. And you can extract relevant information from the email and pass it as an attribute to the backend system. The result is a simple, consistent solution. It integrates multiple parties into a single system of record, and because it's system independent, you can onboard new customers or third parties without needing complex integrations. It also gives visibility to both customers and suppliers, showing exactly where they are in the transaction. And it filters out the noise, so customers only see what's important to them. All of this comes in a low-cost and flexible solution that can adapt to underlying system changes without disrupting business processes. Thanks for watching. Call us and we would love to tell you more.